The humble egg has ridden quite the roller coaster in the world of health debates. Remember the era when anything fat was the enemy? Poor eggs got quite a bad rap then, but fast forward to today, with the keto craze spotlighting fats again, eggs are making their dazzling comeback. I mean, let's chat money for a second. Walk into any grocery store, and these little powerhouses are undeniably the best bang for your buck. Just about 14 cents, and you've got yourself a serving of prime protein. And oh, the convenience. Stock 'em up, and they're your loyal companions for up to 5 weeks in the fridge without throwing a spoilage tantrum like meat or fish. Thinking of switching your protein source? Picture this. From a delightful breakfast frittata to a delectable dinner shakshuka, eggs have your culinary back. And yes, they shine in those baked goodies too. But with all their pros, here's the golden question. Are eggs the health heroes we want them to be? And what magic or mischief unfolds when you eat them daily? Dive in with me as we crack the egg mystery wide open with some egg-citing science. Let's get to it. All right, food detectives, first let's unravel the mystery of what's packed inside that shell, courtesy of our trusty pals at the USDA. For starters, one robust large egg will set you back only about 70 energy-charged calories, a solid 6 grams of muscle-loving protein, a hearty 5 grams of fats with just 2 grams playing the saturated part. And guess what? It's a carb-free zone with a big zero. But wait, the goodness doesn't stop there. It's also your ticket to vitamin B12 boost with 0.5 micrograms, a sunny dose of vitamin D with 1.24 micrograms, and a fantastic 169 milligrams of choline, keeping that brain of yours sharp. So next time you're cracking one open, give a little nod to all that nutrition you're about to enjoy. Okay, so how does this translate into helping our bodies? Let's explore all the goodness that comes with eating eggs every day. Here are 6 scientific ways. Number 1, improved heart health. When it comes to eggs in your ticker, there's a whole lot of chatter, so let's crack this mystery wide open. Yes, eggs come bundled with a cocktail of vitamins, minerals, and let's address the elephant in the room, cholesterol. One egg? That's about 207 milligrams of cholesterol. Sounds alarming, right? Especially when that's a whopping 69% of our daily dose, as per the dietary guidelines for Americans. But let's put on our detective hats. Does munching on cholesterol really push up our blood cholesterol? Not quite. In fact, our body seems to barely notice that extra dietary cholesterol. Some researchers even question if those daily cholesterol limits are a tad too strict. But hey, let's also talk about the sneaky saturated fats. While our bodies do enjoy a bit of them, many of us go overboard, often sidestepping the heart-hugging healthy fats. And let's face it, those fatty foods we love, they often come with unwanted guests like added sugars. So, how does our egg fare in all this? In the grand scheme of things, one egg daily won't send your heart on a wild ride, especially if you mix things up with lean proteins and plant-powered goodies, not just diving into red meats. Bonus egg fact. These oval wonders are also loaded with heart-hugging champs like potassium, folate, and B vitamins. Some studies even give a thumbs up to 2 eggs daily for better heart health. But remember, like with all good things, balance is key. So next time you sizzle an egg for breakfast, know your heart's cheering you on. Number 2, think clearly. Brain feeling a bit scrambled lately? Here's an egg-cellent remedy. Eggs are like your brain's secret best friend. Packed with the power of choline, a superstar micronutrient, they play a vital role in constructing cell membranes and those essential neurotransmitters that make our bodies tick. Ever wondered why sometimes you're just not feeling it? Or why your memory feels like it's playing hide and seek? A choline shortage might be the culprit, causing that foggy brain feel. Now here's the kicker. Just one egg covers around 6% of your daily choline quota. So, want to give your brain a boost? It might be time to get cracking with some eggs. Number 3, healthier hair and skin. Eggs might just be your beauty's secret weapon. Packed to the brim with B vitamins like B2, B5, and B12, these little wonders wear many hats, one of them being your personal beautician. These nutrients are like nature's spa treatment, working tirelessly to give your skin that healthy look and your hair that swish-worthy shine. But here's a quirky thing about B vitamins. They're like those guests at a party who don't overstay their welcome. Being water-soluble, They exit your body pretty quickly and don't set up shop for long. So regular eggy encounters can keep the beauty benefits flowing. Oh, and let's not forget about those powerful amino acids, the champions behind the scenes, strengthening your hair, nails, and giving your skin that youthful bounce. Number 4, stronger bones. Let's talk vitamin D, the unsung hero of our body's universe. It's not just a multitasker, juggling tasks like keeping our blood pressure in check, potentially warding off some nasty villains, and sprinkling positivity over our mental health. But its most super role? Guarding the fortresses that are our bones. Vitamin D rolls up its sleeves, ensuring we soak up all that calcium goodness from our meals and keeps a watchful eye on calcium and phosphorus levels. All to give our bones the best growth and care environment. And guess who's vitamin D's trusty sidekick in this mission? The humble egg, offering up to 6% of your daily dose of this mighty vitamin. So want to channel some of that superhero bone strength? An egg a day might just be the cape your bones need. Number 5, more full and energized. Ready for a tiny, budget-friendly energy booster? Meet the mighty egg. Don't let its modest size fool you. It's like the pocket-sized power bank for your body. The yolk, that golden heart in the center, is brimming with treasures like vitamin B12, vitamin D, and choline. These aren't just fancy names. They're the backstage crew converting your food into get-up-and-go vibes. And that's not all. The power duo of protein and healthy fats in eggs ensures you aren't reaching for snacks every hour. Feeling like the Energizer Bunny, full and raring to go, is just an egg away. So next time you're feeling a bit sluggish, remember this little energy champ. Number 6, better vision. Want to give those eyes some superpowers? Let's talk egg yolks. Hidden inside that sunny center are 2 magical allies, lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of them as the guardians of your gaze. They're not just there for the show, they're on a mission for your eyes, keeping them sharp and fighting off the notorious age-related vision baddies. Oh, and if you're feeling a bit green with envy for those with 20/20 vision, toss in some dark leafy greens to your plate. They're like the sidekicks, brimming with lutein and zeaxanthin goodness. So, fancy clearer, brighter days ahead? Let eggs and greens guide your way. With every bite of eggs, you're diving into a world of protein, vitamins, and nutrients that give you that ready-to-conquer-the-world feeling. But like every superhero story, there's a twist. They do wear a cape of saturated fat and cholesterol. So if you have heart disease, or you're trying to avoid certain challenges, it's worth keeping an eye on those yolks. For the heart warriors among us, switching up to more egg whites while dancing with the yolks occasionally might be your cautious balance. So, whether you're team yolk, team white, or somewhere in between, there's always a way to enjoy the egg benefits daily. Now it's your turn. Maybe you've got your own egg story to share? Crack into the comments below and let's keep the conversation going. And hey, if you found today's video helpful, give us a sunny side up with a thumbs up. See you in the next video.